This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh government will launch the Chief Minister Jan Vishwas campaign on August 7th. The campaign aims to take government services directly to people in villages and urban wards. Special camps will be organized to solve public problems on the spot. Eligible people will also get the benefit of government welfare schemes. District collectors and other officers will visit villages to hear complaints and ensure quick action. The campaign is similar to the earlier Aapki Sarkar Aapke Dwar program. The government says the initiative will improve public trust and make the administration more accessible across the state. Madhya Pradesh Public Works Minister Rakesh Singh has directed officials to repair damaged roads immediately after the rain stops. He said potholes formed during the monsoon should be filled without delay to make travel safer and easier for the public. The minister also asked engineers to repair road damage for any other reason on priority. He stressed that high quality work must be ensured in every construction project. These directions were given during the Chief Engineers Conference at Vallabh Bhavan. The government expects that timely repair will improve road safety and reduce inconvenience for commuters across the state. Indore Mayor Pushyamitra Bhargav has ordered the removal of all illegal hoardings carrying his own photographs. The move is aimed at sending a strong message that the law is equal for everyone. After removing his own hoardings, the mayor directed municipal corporation officials to clear all illegal hoardings across the city. He said rules must be followed by every citizen without exception. The civic body has started as a special drive to remove unauthorized advertisement from public places. The initiative has been appreciated as an example of fair governance and equal enforcement of city rules. A video from an Anganwadi center in Meher district has gone viral, showing children being served only salt and puri as a nutrition meal. The incident has raised serious concern about the quality of food provided to children. After the video surfaced, the Women and Child Development Department ordered an inquiry. District Program Officer Rajendra Bagre said the video is around 3 months old. Department officials claimed the clip was incomplete and recorded while food was being served. The investigation will find out the facts and decide whether any action is needed against those responsible. A mother and her son died after consuming poison in Indore's Pardesipura area. According to police, the family was facing financial problems and both were also suffering from mental illness. On Tuesday afternoon, they consumed a poisonous substance in a nearby garden around 100 meters from their home. They were rushed to hospital for treatment. The son died on Wednesday evening while the mother passed away on Thursday morning. Police have started an investigation into the case. Further action will be taken after completing legal procedures and collecting all available evidence. Heavy rain lashed Bhopal and Ratlam after a monsoon trough. Cyclonic circulation and shear zone became active over Madhya Pradesh. Several roads were flooded, causing traffic problem in many areas. Heavy rainfall was also reported in Ujjain, Harda, Khandwa, Itarsi, Khargone and nearby districts. Waterlogging affected normal life and people faced difficulties while travelling. The weather department has advised residents to remain alert and avoid waterlogged areas. Local authorities are monitoring the situation and taking steps to clear roads and improve drainage. More rainfall is expected in several parts of the state over the coming days.